What if I told you you can sell products without buying stock, without keeping inventory, and without shipping anything yourself? Sounds crazy, huh? But it's real. It's called dropshipping. Dropshipping is a simple online business. You don't need to buy products or store them. When a customer orders from your store, you buy the product from a supplier with customer's address, and they deliver it directly to the customer. You earn profit without touching the product. Remember, you always collect the money and address to the customer before your order. It's simple. You create an online store where people can browse and order products. This can be on Instagram, WhatsApp, or a website. When someone places an order, you don't need to keep any stock or worry about packaging. Instead, you purchase the product from a supplier, like Meesho, Flipkart, or Glowroad, and provide your customer's address. The supplier handles the shipping directly to your customer, so you never have to manage the product yourself. The best part? You set your own price. If you sell a product for 1,000 rupees and the supplier charges 700 rupees, you keep the 300 rupees profit.